Today, I am going to give you a very basic idea about structural equation modeling, especially for the undergrad students. So, for an example, after literature review, we have find a gap, and the gap is summarized here as the tentative title of the project. Future of training and development strategies in the people analytics era. The strategic incorporation of big data and artificial intelligence in the training value chain to improve the sustainable organizational performance with decent work attitude mediated by employee performance. The sentence is very complex, however, this complex sentence will be much easier if you have the theoretical background of training value chain. So what is the training value chain? Training value chain is the process how training is affecting the organizational performance. If you provide training that will increase employee performance, and employee performance ultimately will improve the organizational performance. So because of training, your organizational performance is increasing or improving. It is known as the training value chain. So we will here incorporate artificial intelligence to assess the training needs. Artificial intelligence import training design and development. Artificial intelligence import training implementation. Artificial intelligence import training evaluation. So we refer to as the AI import training. And i- what will be the impact of training on employee performance? Because of training, the employees' strategic thinking power will improve. Employees' productivity and efficiency will improve. Employees' self-awareness toward sustainable work attitude or sustainable decent work will improve. As a result of the changes, there will be changes in company's sustainable organizational performance and the company's sustainability practices, especially people, planet, profit, will improve. The company's profitability will improve, and as a result of increasing profitability, the company's stock price will improve. So it is the training value chain. Ultimately, we are going to uh, know the artificial intelligence impact on training and in sequence on the organizational performance. Performance. So in structural modeling, what you have to do in structural equation modeling, you have to develop a conceptual model. Conceptual model, this is your conceptual model. And you can represent the conceptual model in a framework. AI import training will affect the employee performance, and employee performance will affect the sustainable organizational performance. And directly, AI import training will impact on the sustainable organizational performance. So it is our conceptual model. Here, there is a direct impact on sustainable organizational performance. And here we also explaining that AI import training program will affect the employee attitudes. That means this will be a media, and through the media, your organizational performance will improve. So that's why this is known as the independent variable, this is known as the dependent variable, and this is known as the mediating variable. That means this will be play as the role of mediator. We'll here test several hypotheses. For an example, AI-empowered training program has positive impact on employee performance. Employee performance has positive impact on sustainable organizational performance. AI-empowered training has positive impact on sustainable organizational performance. So we are going to test several hypotheses. And to test the hypothesis, you know that you have to calculate coefficients, coefficients and p-value especially. So this is your conceptual model, and these are the indicators. This is known as the construct, and under the construct, the reflective indicators are T1. That means these are the reflective indicators. Reflective indicators, and here we code it as T1. T1, artificial intelligence empowered training need assessment. AIE, empowered AI empowered training, design and develop, AI empowered training, implementation, AI empowered training evaluation, T1, T2, T3, T4. Similarly, employee performance, employees' strategic thinking will improve because of training, E1, E2, E3. And sustainable organizational performance, we have referred to it as S1, S2, and S3. S1 is sustainability, sustainable practices, S2 profitability, and S3 stock price. These are the indicators of sustainable organizational performance construct. So these are known as the construct and these are known as the indicators. These are indicators. These are also known as latent variables. Latent variables because we are measuring the AM port training by using these variables. That's why this is known as the latent variables. This one, and this one. So after developing the conceptual model, what you have to do, you have to collect data. And say for example, you will develop several statements. These are T1, T2, T3, T4. Same statements are here. Say for example, T1, use of AI can help assess the training needs of your firm. This is a statement, and you will collect data on this statement, and we will collect data using these five skills. Strongly agree, one. Strongly disagree, strongly disagree, one. Strongly agree, five. Four, three, two. That means strongly disagree, neither agree or nor disagree, agree, or strongly disagree. These are the five scale we'll use to collect the data, and this is known as the measurement skills. So use of AI